In the heart of Asmar Car Restoration, we bring the past back to life. Each car has a history. With Mercedes, every detail tells a story of timeless elegance. We begin with the toughest task, carefully disassembling every part, from the engine to the body. The goal is simple: make it better than new. With every sanding stroke, we remove years of wear and tear. We restore the original beauty, one layer at a time. Precision is everything. We match every part, every color, every detail to Mercedes' original design. The final touches are the ones that truly matter. Chrome shines, leather seats are reupholstered, and the tires are perfectly aligned. Once restored, this masterpiece isn't just for display. It's built to run like new, smooth, powerful, and ready for the road. At Asmar Car Restoration, we don't just restore cars, we make history live again. Bring your Mercedes back to life with Asmar Car Restoration. Precision, passion, perfection.